Any mention?
I'm praying for the unlisted on Monday.
For? What's the problem?
What happened was the district council, the petitioner was awarded contract for printing the trading license, my lord, on the smart card system. Contract was for 5 years, awarded in 23. Certainly they've terminated. Certainly they've terminated.
23?
23, the contract was awarded for 5 years, my lord.
When was it terminated?
We received on Monday, my lord.
Now his work has stopped. You are a Shillong-based company?
It's a local individual, my lord. Monday.
Please, man. I have a similar prayer like my learned friend. This is a matter connected where my lords have passed an interim order day before yesterday, on those electricity matters. Only reason for mentioning is, my lords, the date of disconnection is tomorrow. And that order, my lords, concerns only one petitioner. These are all the petitioners who are there before your lords.
Again, the rigmarole. You go to the commission. I mean,
Well, it's the commission, as your lordships have seen, my lords. That issue is now, I'm praying only for a limited same order, my lords. Your lordships are hearing us on the 1st. Yes, obliged.
Today?
My lords. It's already filed yesterday, my lords. We've served notice yesterday itself. Highly obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, should I beg to mention item number 14, Your Lordship?
Number?
14.
14?
Yes, Your Lordship. Conducting counsel is still indisposed, Your Lordship.
What happened to him? He's at home hospital.
He's at home, but he's not keeping well, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Similar prayer for item number 18, Your Lordship.
Well, I have no objection.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 15. Lordship, in this matter, I pray for 2 weeks' time.
No objection.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to move a mention memo for an urgent listing of a motion matter, my lords, on Monday.
What's the matter about?
My lords, the state has floated a tender for construction of a mini secretariat in Tura. Their conditions exclude any person having a criminal case relating to unethical or corrupt practices. And I stand excluded because I have a criminal case pending against me, my lord. That condition is highly arbitrary and unreasonable. That is our case.
Criminal case pending against you, why?
So it's a very strange.
They are the owners of the contract, they can prescribe the conditions.
So I understand. So we have certain judgments in our favor as well, which provide that in case these sort of conditions are highly unreasonable. The funny thing about this particular contract is.
What kind of criminal case against you?
Under the PC Act, my lords. Okay. Prevention of Corruption Act. On Monday, my lord. Obliged.
What's the value of the contract? What's the value of the contract?
Value, I don't have the brief with me.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 16, Your Lordship.
Number?
16, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
Mr. D.K. Datta?
Yes. Yes, Your Lordship.
Why is the matter being adjourned all the time?
Your Lordship, now he's not feeling so well, that's why.
You're not feeling so well. How many years you practice?
Me?
Yes.
2.
2 years. Then you can argue this matter on the next date. What is your name?
Pishala.
Pishala. Okay, on the prayer also.
Your Lordship, same for item number 13.
Yes, as this argument also said, be unwell. What the matter is. Yes. Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Your Lordship, yesterday in the evening we received an application registered as in this case for calling for the records filed by the petitioner. But we have an objection to this, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes, this matter can be disposed of. What is the matter about?
This is regarding the VC, election of the VC, Your Lordship.
Yes, what records do you want?
Lordship, because the resignation letter, which is submitted in the BDO's office, it is a Xerox copy, Lordship. The original copy is still in the police because, Lordship, counter FIR has been filed and this withdrawal for FIR has also been filed regarding
All these averments were not made in the writ petition. These were suppressed that they have resigned from the post of secretary at the president.
Lordship, for that reason,
And it was
Lordship, I
only
have
when
filed
we
the
brought it
additional
in the affidavit, then they have come with a rejoinder saying all this.
Or Lordship, my humble
And
prayer
Your Lordship,
is
the election was
we
held
only
only in
call for
December.
Inquiry, Lordship.
Automatic dissolution. Then
They had resigned, the VC was dissolved, then election was held in December 24, Your Lordship. So the VC's term has not yet expired.
But the resignation letter, Lordship, in
we're not going to go there. The thing is that
they didn't
you
bring
come
it.
to the affidavit filed by the state. Lecture 1. Jasnolen M. Sangma, President and Secretary. See, once these things are here, if you have suppressed these, then see, court doesn't look very kindly. Only allowing you some latitude because you're not here. Otherwise, you withdraw. Otherwise, we'll have to inflict costs upon you. If you succumb, you suppress. You not come to the court with clean hands.
then, Lordship, I'll withdraw
You
letter.
have to base your entire case on the pleadings you made in your petition. You understand that?
In para 7, we have clearly mentioned, Your Lordship, that there has been suppression of facts.
Yes.
Then, Lordship, I may
Because
be allowed to withdraw, Lordship.
You said that what happened is that there were some complaints and copies were supplied to you.
Show cause
Conduct
notice
fresh
was not
elections.
issued. But that is not true, Your Lordship.
Yes, heard MS Timothon, counsel for the petitioner. There's also MS T Yangi, P. Leonard EAG with so-and-so for the respondents number 1,
2 and 3, Your Lordship.
2 and 3, and Mr. P.T. Sangma for 4 and 5. Stop. The grievance as projected in the writ petition was that the writ petitioner who was currently serving as a president and secretary of Aloktia VC on being elected since 6/5/2024 without reason. The state respondents had called for fresh elections, which the counsel for the submits that was due to some disgruntled job card holders who had made a copy. As per the pleadings made in the writ petition, no show causes or inquiries were conducted to verify the allegations, and that the directions were issued to conduct fresh elections, and acting upon the said direction, a new VC was elected. In the course of proceedings, after the affidavit has been filed, it has come to light that the writ petitioner herself, by a letter dated 24/9/2024, addressed to the Block 11 officer Dema seen at the Block 11 office, Garo Hills, had tendered her resignation, and signatures also together with the secretary. She was a secretary or she was the president?
President and Secretary, Lordship.
Both of them have signed.
Both of them.
Next, you want to affidavit, Your Lordship.
No, it was only secretary. Where's the president's resignation? I thought that both of them had jointly signed it.
Next to one, Your Lordship, it's signed by both. The secretary has signed and it's been countersigned by the president, Your
The
Lordship.
president serving as secretary, he's only secretary. Yes?
Then additional affidavit, my lord, Annexure 1, they have said the President Sunadin M. Sama, then the Secretary Jerry Marab, that
Jenny Mara.
page 25 of their additional affidavit, my lord.
Annexure 2.
This annexure.
Next to one of their additional affidavit.
Which whose additional affidavit?
They have in my affidavit.
No. See, you said, this court was under impression that it was signed by both.
But it is signed by both. It is signed by both.
Where signed by both? Signed by both letter about whether the president herself, this Tonarin, has conducted her resignation.
It has been countersigned.
Very confusing. 1 second.
And it was received.
Now,
The same. What does it say?
see this, come to Annexure 4, awaited petition.
Yes, Your
Here's the new
Lordship.
VC.
This was given on 11th September 2024.
No. This new VC
Oh,
6/24 is functioning now.
Yes.
Yes. President Secretary. No, 1 second.
This is the order, Your Lordship.
That's the order, yes.
Constitution of the new
Yes. So they have not
VC.
said anything about the resignation here also. Your writ petition is too brief also, that's the only thing. There's nothing in the writ petition. I'm just looking for the resignation of. What is your stand? You have not resigned.
Lordship, the resignation letter, it was signed under threat, Lordship.
This was not disclosed in
we
the
have
writ
no
petition,
knowledge,
Your
Lordship.
Lordship.
For that reason, Lordship,
writ
I have filed
petition,
the
it was not
affidavit,
mentioned at
additional
all.
affidavit, Lordship.
That along with the secretary has appended the signature to a resignation letter dated 24/9/2024. Stop. It appears that on this account that the new VC was constituted and notified on 6/12. What 12 was that? 2020.
24, Your Lordship.
2024. Stop. Next paragraph. This court on examination materials should seen that there is a serious suppression of material facts that has happened in petition on this account. The same deserves the considerations dismissed. There's no need for suppression of material facts. Everything should be written.
Item number
Come
2.
out sooner or later, yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Be happy not inflicting cost. Yes.
No, please.
Yes.
This case, we have been served thusly to the respondent number 123, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, the matter is quite urgent because my account has been freezed. Your Lordship, page number 44 of the writ petition. Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Oh. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, basically we have challenged the email dated 9/5/2025 as well as the page number 44, thereby
1 second.
they have freezed my account, Your Lordship.
You have frozen your account because your brother has asked him to freeze it.
Yes, Your Lordship, but
Then
there is no clause in
who's
the
Gaurav Hazarika?
Yes.
Yes? Who's Gaurav Hazarika?
Haralka,
sorry.
Haralka, Lordship.
Allah.
Yes, he's your brother.
Yes, he is my brother.
Then?
Then Your Lordship, he has written a simple letter to the bank and bank has freezed my account. Where there is no clause in the partnership deed, the account can be freezed because, and it is a contractor's account, Your Lordship.
Let's see where's the why he asked. Have you served him?
Yes, Your Lordship, he has not been served, Your Lordship.
Then?
He's been arraigned as respondent number 4. Lordship, I don't think he has been served.
Have you taken steps? You've taken steps?
Yes, Your Lordship, just a bit, Your Lordship, kindly bear with me.
No, I will bear with you, don't worry. But then, let's see whether any steps have been taken. Or you've taken, yes.
Your Lordship, upon him,
But
the
not
steps
served.
have not been- We have taken steps on 120, Your Lordship, because he is a private respondent.
See, on the basis of his letter that your account will be frozen.
Your Lordship, kindly peruse this letter at page number 44, Your Lordship. Just for the time being, Your Lordship.
Yes, okay.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, he has just simply written to the bank that I would like to request you to kindly block and stop any kind of payment online, offline or withdrawal of the cash from our account MD Construction because we are having personal issues between the partners.
Yes.
So Your Lordship, can it be a tenable, Your Lordship, for the personal issues can an account be blocked, Your Lordship? By which I have to make a labor payment, Your Lordship, as well as the bill payment. And my contract is running, Your Lordship.
Where's your partnership deed?
Yes, Your Lordship. That is at page number, Your Lordship, 24.
24, Lordship.
Where regarding the accounts? Which provision?
Your Lordship, start from
You are Bikash Haralka.
bank account is clause number 11, Your Lordship, page number 38.
Yes, so see, all of you are jointly operating the account. So how do you say
Yes,
that?
sir.
How do you say that you can operate an account independently?
Yes, Your Lordship, and kindly come page number 31.
See, just the bank account of the firm shall be operated jointly or severally. Does not say anywhere that. Where does it say that in such situation that one of the parties can operate it himself?
No, Your Lordship, not one of the parties. All can either severally or singularly, but there is no clause for stopping of the payment from the
So
account.
where it says you can it's only jointly or severally by the parties, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. So there is no clause in the agreement, Your Lordship, thereby it can be stopped. Payment cannot be stopped by any means, Your Lordship.
we are still not satisfied.
Lordship,
Yes,
operation
Mr.
is one
Pandey.
thing.
Lordship,
Under what provision of your banking directives have you frozen the account?
Lordship, the petitioner's account was put on debit freeze as per the request made by the second partner, Lordship, Gaurav Valkar, who's been arraigned as respondent number 4, Lordship. If Lordship allows me, he has already read the letter. Lordship will kindly come to page number 45, Lordship. That is the letter that's sent by the bank to the petitioner, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if I may read, Lordship. Dear to so and so,
intimation of partial breach on a partnership account number so and so.
Yes.
This is to inform you that operations in the partnership account maintained with us under the name Mrs. MD Constructions account number so and so have been debit freezed as per the instructions received from one of the partners, citing disputes among the partner. The same has been intimated to all the partners via mail dated 9/5/2025. We would like to bring to your notice that this is not the first instance of dispute among the partners. Earlier, similar disputes had arisen, and the partner confirmed that all the disputes between the partners were resolved via letter dated 15/3/2025. Unfortunately, we have again received intimation of disputes among the partners. Considering the recurring nature of such disputes and to safeguard the interests of the stakeholders as well as the bank, it has now been decided that the bank will not entertain any instruction from individual partners. The bank is not in a position to adjudicate or intervene in internal disputes and shall only act on clear, undisputed confirmation. We request all partners to resolve the matters permanently amongst themselves. Until such communication is received, the account shall remain frozen and no transaction including withdrawal or debits will be permitted.
Your name Sharma?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You serve first, it's one before. We won't pass any orders before that. You
Your
serve by
Lordship,
trustee.
only some
He's
parties
your,
Your Lordship.
yes?
Bank itself has written in para number 3. that
We can't pass
individual-
orders. We see, the thing is that if you have come to court, you have arraigned him with a respondent, his interests is jeopardized. We can't come pass orders now. He'll come later on that due orders of this court, my entire share has been defalcated by the other partners. We're not sitting here to adjudicate that. You first serve him, let's see what he has to say. Yes, you serve him, Dusty. He's your brother only. He's your brother, correct?
Lordship.
Yes, yes. This is my brother, Your Lord.
Yes, though mention had been made specifically for listing this matter, it appears, however, that respondent before was vital for the vital party in the instant case, inasmuch as it is on his objections that account has been frozen. The petition is directed to serve the respondent for personally this after 1 week. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. P. Abin, is on leave. I kindly pray for 1 week
Yes,
time.
who's going to prepare a paperwork?
We have to prepare
You're
it.
the appellant, you prepare it?
Yes, yes.
Records indicated have been received by the registry. Accordingly, the appellants directed to prepare the paperwork. Yes, after 4 weeks. Interim orders to continue. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Item number 2.
Lord, I'm praying for some more time, my lord, to file my rejoinder. Rejoinder to the affidavit filed by respondent number 9, my lord. Only respondent number 9 has filed their affidavit in this case. The rest have not filed.
Okay, 2 weeks as previous.
All right.
Item number 3.
Lordship, during course of the day, I'm filing this.
Because of the days. Yes, sir. Mr. M.K. Mazumdar submits that the affidavit behalf all respondents
Yes.
file the course of the day. This is a matter of 2 weeks for rejoinder, if any. Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
respondents have filed their affidavits. I pray for 2 weeks, Your Lordship, to file my
Already
rejoinder.
2 weeks already granted earlier on.
Need some more time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks further time as prayed, not for rejoinder.
5.
Lordship, so far as respondent 2 is concerned, Lordship.
Yes.
So far as respondent 2 is concerned, Lordship, the notice has come back, Lordship, because the respondent has not found the address. Lordship, in fact, there's another alternate address, Lordship, if I may be allowed to take first step.
The recipient does not live at an address.
Lordship.
And it's not known where they live. That's a note.
Lordship.
In Hindi. Yes. What about 3? You file affidavit.
Lordship, I am waiting for respondent number 3. I require 2 weeks of filing it, Lordship. I am yet to receive from the respondent.
Dr. A to D. Learned counsel from the chief priest phones around for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit stop. Mr. M.L. Nongpur also praised that he be allowed to issue two fresh notice to spot number 2 on alternate address. It is up to 2 weeks.
Hello.
6.
Yes.
I have filed the affidavit, just now I have filed. It pleases your Lordship. Just now I received the affidavit. I'll go through your Lordship. In the meanwhile, Lordship, the matter may be fixed for hearing, your Lordship.
Yes, Honorable replies this matter for hearing. Yes.
There is an interim order.
Interim order shall continue.
Oblige. Oblige, your Lordship.
7.
Have it filed?
No, your Lordship.
Both of the day.
No, your Lordship. If I may take your Lordship to page 22 of the writ petition. Your Lordship, this is the rejection for the application of arms license, your Lordship.
Yes.
It was passed by the district magistrate.
Yes.
Now, your Lordship, if I may take you to the appeal, which is at page 6.
Page?
Page 6 of the writ petition.
Appeal?
Yes, your Lordship.
Yes.
This was also passed by the district magistrate, your Lordship, which cannot be the district magistrate is not the competent authority.
How can he be the appellate authority if he has
Yes, your
rejected
Lordship. This was done by mistake, your Lordship. So I'm praying, your Lordship, if this matter can be closed, the appeal may be placed before the correct appellate
do that.
authority.
Lordship, I will take instruction, Lordship, regarding
From
this.
whom?
Because the conducting counsel is TL Jirwa, Lordship.
TL Jirwa?
Yes,
You
Lordship.
tell Mr. TL Jirwa that the court can't wait for him, okay? Yes, it's nothing here. Yes, Mr. MSZ Nokandi today has fairly submitted that the appellate order, the order part of the appeal was by the district magistrate himself, who in fact was authority that rejected the application of the petitioner. Stop. He submits that on this being detected, the orders may be passed that the appeal, memo of appeal be placed before the competent appellate. Who's the competent appellate authority?
Your Lordship, it'll be the government, your Lordship, the Commissioner and Secretary, Home Police Department.
Yes, be placed before the competent appellate authority, that is the Commission Secretary, Home Police Department. Stop. On this submission, Mr. M.R. Marak has no objections. You have no objections. So accordingly, the matter is disposed of by directing that the memo of appeal. Where is it lying now?
Your Lordship, the appeal was with the district magistrate, so
Yes,
we can.
the memo of appeal presently lying with the district magistrate be placed before the competent appellate authority for necessary orders. Stop. Is expected that matter be disposed of expeditiously. Stop. As ordered above, as there is nothing left for consideration for this court at this stage, the matter stands closed and disposed of.
Obliged, your Lordship.
You take the order and you show Mr. TL Jirwa.
Obliged, your Lordship.
Item number 8.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Parag.
This pertains to the pay and make of clerks. The division bench of this court, my lord, has recently also upheld that they should be conferred, my lord, the rank and pay of warrant officer.
You want to file affidavit? No.
A break for some more time, Lordship, to
You want to
obtain
file affidavit?
instructions. We need to
They
obtain
give them 2
instructions.
weeks more for instruction to dispose of next date. Yes. As prayed further 2 weeks time allowed for instructions. Yes.
9.
I comply with the.
My lord, this
Just
matter.
so you're back, I believe you.
My lord, yes. Yes. My lord, recently District Council has passed the order, since Lordship has given them opportunity to pass the order on the matter. And it seems on the basis of this order, my lord may kindly close the instant writ petition by taking on record the order, my lord. The next page, 11 June.
Yeah.
By this order, District Council, by the last portion, my lord, the Executive Committee hearing heard the parties at length. It has decided that the CM of Hima Krem shall consult with the Pakra of right, no claim pertaining with the eligibility of electors who can elect the Sardar after night entering an election of the Sardar rash.
All
might
the
be
respondents are here.
And all the parties are here, my lord. So on the basis of this, my matter may be closed.
Yes?
On the basis of this order,
Yes,
my lord may close the
so the Lord Counsel for the Senate
Dispose
Counsel
of
for the
it.
petitioner submits that the matter on since being examined by the respondent number in the committee is what?
1, 2.
One. Comma? Executive Committee, respondent number so and order dated 11/6/2025 has since been passed, whereby it has been directed as follows. You quote the last paragraph, which he quotes as follows: the present petition may be closed. A copy of the order also has been submitted before the court. But accordingly, in view of this recent development, and on the prayer of the parties, the matter stands closed and disposed of.
Give me a Give.
Hearing, item number 10.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, this matter will require to find a reply to the additional affidavit. Require some more time, lordship.
Still?
Lordship.
No. I think why you're still going by physically to get instructions? Or just by not using any electronic devices to get instructions?
Physical mode. Time may be given to us, lordship.
Physical mode, my lord.
Physical mode by hand, by the dark runner. 1 more week allowed, yes.
Highly obliged.
Sure, affidavit.
12.
Where's Dr. Muzika?
He's on legs, lordship. I'm praying for accommodation, lordship.
Yes, she's very happy.
Yes, lordship. Not well also, your lordship.
You're not well?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, after 1 week.
Oblige, your lordship.
17.
This is that matter, my lord, where my promotion has been withheld on the ground that, my lord, there's a criminal case pending against me. My lord, as your lordship is aware, that that cannot be the ground for denying me with the denying my promotion. I'll just take your lordship to the facts of the case. But here the petitioner was appointed as LDA, my lord, with the respondent's office, my lord, in the year 1999. My lord, the appointment, your lordship will find at page 20 and extra 1. At the service of Shri Stephen Jarain, so-and-so is hereby appointed temporarily in officiating basis in the office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi District, Nongstoin, with effect from so-and-so until a candidate is recommended by DSC or which. Now, thereafter, my lord, he spent and served for a considerable time before the, in the office of the Deputy Commissioner, my lord, and he was finally regularized in the year 2017. His regularization order will find at page 23 and extra 3.
Yes.
In pursuance of Deputy Commissioner's Office Order number so-and-so, Shri so-and-so or so-and-so is hereby released.
Yes. His case was a case of automatic suspension. Was he kept custody for over 48 hours?
Yes, my lord, he was kept for 48 hours. Suspension was, my lord, imposed and subsequently withdrawn also after he was kept under suspension for a considerable period. My lord, what my case before the lordship is, my lord, the date of promotion, the day on which he became due, the promotion became due, my lord, was much prior to his
Well, he being implicated in the case. My lord, here as per the rule, my lord,
Becoming due and begin promoting is not a right.
it's not a right,
can
my
be
lord.
due
I'm only saying, my lord, I has to be considered. But only the ground which they have taken for withholding my promotion, my lord, that cannot be sustained in law, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, what happened, my lord, as per the rule, my lord, I'm entitled for promotion after 4 years in service.
After?
4 years, my lord. So, my lord, if I, since I'm appointed in 1999,
What's the case?
my lord, this case is still pending.
506 case pending for how many
Yes,
years?
Your Lordship.
Have you got status?
Yes, Your Lordship. I filed through an affidavit on the direction of this Honorable Court, Your Lordship. It was filed on 7/5, Your Lordship, because series of 302 and 506 IPC.
No, not 302, my lord, not 302. 392.
392 and 506 and 34, Your Lordship, IPC. It is pending in the court of.
And it's fixed for consideration of charges or appeals, my lord.
Annexed to page 5 of this affidavit. Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I'm mainly, my lord, aggrieved by, my lord, the letter, my lord, letter dated 21/6/2023. My lord, here after, when I represented before the concerned authority, my lord, seeking, my lord, promotion, my lord, a letter was sent to the higher of authority, my lord, dated 21/6/2023, which you also will find at annexure 19.
Yes.
Sorry, my lord. I'll take you, before that, I'll take you to annexure 18, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, with reference to the subject quoted above, I have the honor to request you to kindly issue a clarification on the revocation, as the said order is not clearly mentioned on basic pay, annual increment, etc. Also, our office order number so-and-so may please be treated as cancelled. Now, to this, my lord, they responded, the Deputy Commissioner responded via annexure 19 at page 41.
Yes.
My lord, with reference to the subject cited above and your letter under reference, you are hereby advised to keep in abeyance relating to increment, promotion and all benefits due to Shri so-and-so and so-and-so, as both the incumbents are under court trial. Now this is the only ground, my lord, they have cited for withholding my promotion and other increments, my lord. The lordship is aware of, my lord, Janakim Raman's case, my lord. This cannot be the ground for withholding my promotion. Especially when, my lord, my promotion
They
became
didn't drop any independent DP.
No, my lord, they did not.
One second. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, their prayer is for convening DPC. So.
I'm only seeking, and since your lordship has rightly said, my lord, it cannot be. The
Yes, Your
promotion is
Lordship.
not a matter of right, my lord. I can only be considered for promotion, my lord. Therefore, my prayer, my
What
lord.
about your other service benefits? You're not concerned about that?
My lord, once the promotion follows, my lord.
Increments have been stopped.
Yes, my lord. My lord, if I am considered for promotion from the date on which I became due, my
That's
lord.
difficult because then it'll be subject to vacancies. The DC can sit. It's supposed to every year, but that's not a hard and fast rule. But that's the only thing. So your prayers in the air.
Well, let them consider my promotion.
What to consider? See, are you asking for directions to forthwith convene DPC?
Convene the DPC, Your Lordship.
I could understand if you say that they examine your case for, for restoration of your other service benefits, which have been stopped after you with revocation or suspension.
My lord,
But then
the other service benefit will follow.
How would you know?
My lord, will follow.
Mr. Thapa, you're too well experienced to make this kind of submissions. You're asking about DPC and you're not, the other things you're silent. And he said, I'm aggrieved with this letter. Yes, you have right to be aggrieved with this letter. First, these things will come, then, then your DPC, your promotion will be considered. You think
My
about
lord
it,
can always
otherwise
mold the relief, my lord.
those prayers this relief cannot be granted. You take instructions, otherwise you're not bothered about the other things which have been taken away.
Malord, I have said, Malord,
2011. You're seeing doesn't matter. Your prayers for to convene a DPC forthwith. Yes, we will give you time. Take instructions, and you can file a fresh one.
Malord, otherwise I have to amend my prayer to the effect.
You withdraw it, then you file a fresh one.
Well, that will again, Malord, will take time because they will again have to respond and all.
As it is, on this pray, you can't sustain your petition.
I'll make a necessary application for amendment if it's required. Malord.
Yes.
Supplementary.
Mr. S. Thapa, after hearing at some length, Mr. S. Thapa praised that may be allowed to take instructions and to file amendment applications if necessary. Otherwise, better if you recast the entire thing. But amendments, they'll be entitled to file objections to amendments you seek to insert. They'll take the same time.
Well, because the facts will remain the same, it's only the prayer.
Even they get to chance to file another objection to your amendments.
I hope they won't.
Which will want to file the joinder to. Anyway, why should I give advice? Yes.
Supplementary one, item number 1.
Yes. Yes.
Let's hear the main petitioner in WPC 339 is before your lordships, Millets, because they are all these industries are the constituent members of this. We're simply praying, Millets, that this matter also be tagged along with the other matter, Millets. It's the same issue, only that all the notices, Millets, we've annexed in the miscellaneous case before your lordships, Millets, because they all say that tomorrow is the last date for making the payment or else face disconnection.
This is review application referred against an order dated 4/6.
Millets.
2025.
2/6 Millets.
2/6. 2025 passed by this court in WPC in the main writ petition. It is submitted by Mr. K. Paul as Senior Counsel. That which is the other matter which is.
Millets, I've placed the order. Review petition number 3 of 2025.
Identical matter just taken up by this court. That is the review petition number 3 of 2025 by order date 18/6/2025. The matter has been fixed for
objections on the 1st
of July. Until then, order of disconnection of keeping abeyance instructions have been passed off. I can peruse the review application and I connected in this case. Yes, the submissions of the Legal Counsel appear to be correct. Accordingly, it is directed that who's appearing for the.
My lord, I've informed the Learned Advocate General.
It's directed that till the next date, the electrical connections to plan of petitioners shall not be disconnected. Stop. Mr. Jain Jaranja is present, also accepts notice on behalf of the respondents.
The plant of the members of the Petitioner Association.
Members of the
Petitioner Association. This is the association.
Plant of the members of the Petitioner Association. Just on 1/7.
Highly obliged.
Objections also. Be responsible to file objections also in the meanwhile. Yes.
Highly obliged.